Detroit's financial future. A federal judge making his ruling on the city's plan of adjustment that could lead to Detroit shedding billions of dollars in debt and emerging from bankruptcy. You're looking live at federal court, where Judge Stephen Rhodes will deliver his decision at 1 p.m. Detroit is locked in the largest municipal bankruptcy in history, and the city that put the world on wheels is now trying to get back on a stable financial road. 7 Action News reporter Jim Kurtzner has been on top of this story from the very beginning. He is live now downtown. Jim, this could be the day that the phoenix rises from the ashes, right?
This could be an historic day, but remember, bankruptcy is a protection against creditors who had claims of billions of dollars. The numbers are staggering. Check it out. When the city filed for bankruptcy last summer, $18 billion in debt on the books. $8 billion of that is being eliminated with pension cuts for 23,000 retirees and deals with Wall Street creditors who are getting only about 13 cents on the dollar in some cases in those consensual agreements. On the positive side, the city will spend $1.7 billion to improve city services over the next 10 years. The city will apply for $275 million in exit financing and will have to pay out $140 million in consulting and legal fees just to get through this process. It has been a large team put together by Detroit Emergency Manager Kevin Orr and approved by the governor.
I certainly hope it's favorable. We've settled with every major creditor, and the judge has done a great job, the mediators. This has been an effort of so many people coming together and people making sacrifices, but getting this bankruptcy behind us really presents this opportunity for a great foundation for growth in Detroit.
Judge Rhodes has treated the city of Detroit great through this entire process, and I'm optimistic that we will be out of bankruptcy by the end of the day.
What's the likelihood he would blow this thing up?
You know, Jim, I'm going to stay away here again from likelihoods. Like I said, I mean, from my perspective, having done this for, several decades now, I think we've met all the conditions we need to meet. But here again, he's the final voice.
And that final voice will speak at 1 o'clock from the bench as Judge Stephen Rhodes reads his opinion out loud orally in court. No cameras in federal court, but the governor, the mayor, the emergency manager have scheduled a news conference after the ruling is made. We will carry that live right here on Channel 7, WXYZ.com. Joanne, a monumental day.
Oh,
the city of Detroit.
It certainly is, Jim. Couple quick questions for you. The judge has a couple options here, right? It doesn't have to be all or nothing. Explain the decisions he could make today.
Well, some have differing opinions on that. Some say the judge is sort of locked in because of the rules of Chapter 9, but some of the experts I've spoken with have said that if the judge has like 10% of this plan of adjustment he's not comfortable with, he could say, go back, tweak it, and come back to me. But that's not expected here today. Okay,
and also one more question for you. We've heard the experts say that they have settled basically with every major creditor. But I understand from your reporting, too, there are some 3,000 individual objectors in all this. If he approves the plan, are those people basically out of luck?
They're not out of luck. They still have the right to appeal this, and they've already told us out here a couple of weeks ago that that is their plan, so this may not be ended here today. But if the judge approves this plan, and the term is called confirmation, if he confirms the plan, expect his ruling to be what some would say airtight or bulletproof for any of those appeals.
All right, Jim, we thank you very much. I know you're going to be in the courtroom. We're going to be blogging it, Ross Jones is, so we have a full day of coverage for you here on Action News. We look forward to hearing from you later. Thank you.